Hello everyone, have a wonderful day. This is Dr. Srimati from Dr. Ambedkar Global Law Institute, Tirupati. Today we are going to see a remuneration and incentive methods under that Rowan system or Rowan plan. So who is Rowan? Who introduced this? Okay, this is about a scheme which has been introduced in the year 1901 by David Rowan of Glasgow, England. So here the wages are calculated on the basis of hours worked, whereas the bonus is that actually the wages is calculated on the basis of hours worked. But here the bonus is calculated on the proportionate of wages of time taken and which the time is saved because to the standard time allowed. It seems to be little bit confused, but it is very easy to understand. That is, if you see the plan, the formula, that is total earnings under Rowan plan is equal to hours worked multiplied with rate per hour. This is as usual, okay. So this is hours rate. It should be added with incentive. That incentive is time saved divided by standard time multiplied with hours worked multiplied with rate per hour. So in Halsey plan, you have seen the 50-50 of the time saved is taken by the employer and employee. But here in Rowan plan, the bonus is given according to the proportionate of time saved by the worker. So it is actually more incentive to the worker. So here the worker who is about working efficiently, they used to get more wages, more bonus also. So the merit of this is it's about time wages which has been guaranteed to the worker, and it is suitable for the learners and the beginners, okay. And then both the workers and employers are beneficial with this, and it pays a higher bonus to the worker when compared to the Halsey plan, okay. So but up to a specific level of time saved, okay. And what are the demerits? Here it is about difficult to understand and calculate for an easy, that is ordinary workers, okay. And the efficiency, if an worker shows efficiency beyond certain point, it is not actually rewarded, okay. So it should be, the efficiency should be at some level only. If the person gives more efficiency beyond certain level, then it has not been rewarded here. And then the system is more complex and it's expensive. So what is about Rowan plan is, it's about a proportionate to the time saved, but up to a certain point it is about beneficial to the workers. So the formula is hours worked, that is time taken multiplied with the rate per hour plus time saved divided by a standard time multiplied with hours worked into rate per hour. And let us see the problem. Standard time is 10 hours. Number of units to be completed 5. Hours rate is 25 paise. This is about a problem. The time is taken 8 hours. So calculate the worker's total earnings under Rowan plan. Also determine the effective rate of earnings per hour. So this is about a problem. Here you have standard time 10 hours and the number of units produced is 5 units in standard time of 10 hours. The hourly rate is 25 paise. So time taken by the worker here is 8 hours. So have this and have a formula T multiplied with R plus S minus T divided by S multiplied with T and R. That is time taken multiplied with rate per hour plus standard time minus time taken divided by standard time multiplied with time taken by the worker multiplied with rate per hour. So here time taken, our actual time is 8 hours, rate of wages is 25 paise per hour, and standard time is, our standard time allowed is 10 hours. So here the total earnings of worker under Rowan plan, that is equal to 8, the time taken multiplied with rate of wages 25 paise plus, so this is about 2, when we multiply we will get 2 rupees, then plus standard time 10 minus 8 actual time divided by 10, so 2 by 10 multiplied with 8 into 0.25, that is equal to 40 paise. So the total earnings of a worker is under row 1 plan 2 rupee 40 paise. So effective rate of earnings per hour, already you know the formula, that is the total earnings divided by actual time taken. The total earnings is 2 rupee 40 paise divided by actual time taken is 8 hours. So that is equal, if you divide this you will get 0.30 so per hour. So actually time hourly rate is 25 paise, but effective rate of earning is 30 paise per hour. Okay, so this is about problem under row 1 plan. And then I'll give you a problem including both Halsey and Rowan, so you can do it, and after completing that you can see it in the comment box, you will get an answer. Okay, it is there, answers in comment box. See the problem, calculate the earnings of a worker under Halsey plan, Halsey premium plan and Rowan scheme. Time allowed is 48 hours, time taken is 40 hours and rate per hour is 1 rupee. So this is the problem, you can do it by having a formulas. So until the next, it's bye from Srimati. Thank you.